Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we will be working on the prawn options for changing the text style, size, and font. Then this is very simple part though. So let me show you the preview first. Here you can see that in the preview and download link, when you click on the button, you can see the PDF. Okay, but you can see that all the text is coming inside within the same style. Here you can see that this is the post title and this is the post description. Okay, so there is no difference between the styling of the fonts. Okay, I mean the between the styling of the both post title and the post description. Okay, so we will try to change and we will try to learn that how we can change the styling of the fonts or text inside the PDF using prawn. Okay, so open the post controller and there you need to provide the style, size, and align option with some valid values. Okay, so here you can open the post controller and in the document in the download option, here you can see that we defined the prawn document and now we need to provide some styles here. Okay, so we can provide some styles like let's say size 30. Okay, so this size denotes the size of the font, okay, or the font size. Okay, and then we can add the style, so style, and here we can add let's say bold. Okay, so the style represents the font weight here, and for example, just save it for now and go to the browser and reload your page. Okay, so here you can see if I reload this PDF, I can see the sample blog post in the capital letters and with font size 30 pixels. Okay, and the font weight is bold now. Okay, and here you can add the align as well. Like if I want to display this blog post inside the center, then I can do that as well. So here just you just need to use align and then center. Sorry, align, and it should be center. Okay, save the file and reload the page. Here you can see that the title of the post has been aligned into the center. Okay, here you can see the changes, and similarly you can also update the font family of text in the PDF as well. But to update the font family, you need to use the blocks rather than as argument. For example, here you can see that to display this post title in the bold and 30 pixel size, what I did that I provided here the options. Okay, but if I want to change the font family of that particular text, then I need to provide the font block. Okay, and in that block I can provide the particular font family. There are various number of font family supported by the prawn PDF. Okay, so let's try to provide the font family here. So what we can do, first we'll do let's say post pdf dot font. Okay, and here you just need to provide the font family name, that is times roman, for example. Okay, and here you can use like do, and then inside this block you need to cover this portion. Okay, so here you can add this, paste the line and save the file, and now refresh your PDF. Okay, so when you refresh the PDF now, you can see that the title is displayed into the Times New Roman now, but rest of the text is still visible in default font family. Why? Because here you can consider, you can see that I just added this post title into the Times New Roman font family, but rest of the PDF text I'm displaying as it is. Okay, so it will be considered as the default family supported by the prawn. Okay, and Helvetica is the default font family when we generate PDF using prawn. There are many more font families available in prawn, and you can use any of your preference. Just use the block we used for updating font style of post title. Okay, for my case, I'm removing the Times New Roman and using the Helvetica font family. Okay, but I hope you got the idea that what I'm trying to say here, and that's all from this lecture. Okay, so I will just use here, for example, let's say Helvetica family. So I can provide, okay, this is my font family. Okay, and save this, and now if you refresh the PDF, you can see this is in the Helvetica font. But since the Helvetica is the default title, so we can either keep it as it is or we can remove it as well. Okay, for example, if I comment this, you can see then the still the text will be displayed, I mean the post title will be displayed with the same font family into the PDF. Okay, so it's your choice if you want to keep it or if you want to remove it, but better just keep it if you are using other font family rather than Helvetica. Okay, and that's all from this lecture. In this lecture we saw how to change the size, weight, and font family of text in prawn PDF. In the next lecture we will be working on adding custom header in PDF to download, because it's good to have footer and header in the PDF. So try this lecture at your end, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.